today's digital age, the traditional paper business card is becoming increasingly outdated. With the rise of digital business card, professionals are now able to share their contract information in a more modern and convenient way. Canva, a popular graphic design platform, has recently launched its own digital business card feature, allowing users to create and share their professional contact details with us. So, today we will learn how to easily create a digital business card with Canva. So, first I would go to canva.com. Then click on create a design. Then I will search by writing business card. On the left side, I will find many free templates. I will select one. Now double click to change the name, font, email, address. I will change the color, change another page in the same way. I will change all the information and click on share and copy the link. Then go to QR code monkey.com. I will paste the copied link here. If you want, you can change the color from now on. You can add pictures or logos if you want. If everything is okay, click on create QR code. Then click on download. In this way, you can add your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and all the social media QR codes if you want. So click on YouTube, then put your channel link, then generate code, download, then upload to Canva. If you want, you can add your address in QR code. For this, click vCard, then add your name, phone number, email. Okay, then generate code and download and upload to Canva. Okay, now go to share and download and use and share it. So thank you very much.